Sure, fucking early in the morning. I'm out here at my old school, Keto Ngumalo Agricultural High School. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Pela say maniga. You know, I used to study here. This used to be our teacher's dormitory or hostel. I don't know what's happening now. It looks odd. The windows are broken. Everything doesn't work anymore. Um, this used to be the guys' hostel. Yes, and that's our DH dining hall up there. But now they put a fence. Why do we put a fence here? What's happening? What's happening, man? What up? You know, this was our agricultural laboratory practicals. We used to do practicals for agriculture here. They used to have chickens there, you know, all the different kind of chickens. But now it's dead. It's a dead place. This is a dead place, I can tell you. Keto Ngumale is no longer the same. Keto Aya funny, guys. Look how look how dirty it is. Just le jwa khale a cleaniwa jwa clean jwa green. Mara se inova sile. Just bushes everywhere. Bushes everywhere. Let me take you to the dining hall, the DH. I'm gonna take you to the DH. I hope there's no snakes because this place it's famous for big snakes here because of the bushes. That used to be our tech shop. You know, there, the tech shop la. Actually, we're gonna call that is special, you know. But things have changed. This was our DH. Oh, Jesus Christ is the Lord. Oh my gosh, look how terrible this place looks. It's so dirty. You know, we used to have functions, comedy functions. Yeah, you know, all exams. I like the exams. Like during exam time, I kept Ngumalo. We used to write exams here. You know, this is my old school. This is the old dining hall. Mina nantano maraj I am big Dakota na. Love for na archer. Let me show you where we used to. I shower kota la, because now they put a fence. I don't know why they put fence here. And then I kota delela na wakulani ngobeni ntono maraji. I talk my real line kweni telela. The kid does not good break. This used to be like the hostel for teachers, you know, teachers hostel. This one as well. Even that side is a teachers hostel. This place used to be clean and clean. Look at the windows broken. All everything's there is gone. I see cow dung here. Guys, this area is gone. Guys, what happened to Keto Ngumalo? Oh my gosh, this place is gone. This is dangerous. I'm even scared to go in there because it looks dodgy. I don't know what's there now, but we used to, you know how we used to do it now. I can't even go that side. You know, these are the classes behind me there. Those are the classes there. But then things have changed. This place is gone. I'm just gonna go to the fence. Oh, this is about grade 8B. I studied, this was grade 10. Grade 8, I did grade 8B here and then grade 10B there on the other side. You know, these are the classes, all of them. But now they put fence. I don't know why. Maybe because wrong people are staying here now. This is the tuck shop, which is now fenced. Look at the dining hall roof. Guys, can someone you know, back then. Normal is no longer the same, guys. I'm sorry. It's bad. It's very bad. Yo, I am so disappointed. I am so this is my old school, guys. This is where I did my high school. But it's no longer the same. teacher Bosby, I used to teach us agriculture there, even teacher Maduleke. Teacher, who else? You know? Yeah. But it's what you get when things change and things change, government change, transformation of power. It's no longer the same. It's okay. At least they're trying to clean there, you know. But it's sad. This place is no longer the same. It's gone. What happened? We don't know. What changed? We don't know. You guys can maybe tell me why it's like this, you know, why it's no longer the same. Why? I'm shocked what I saw there. Kutakini, kutumini. It's like, guys. If you're not careful enough, you can step on a snake anywhere, anyhow. So this place has to be clean, watered properly, but it's not. It's not managed properly. Okay, guys, that's all I had. Like Jan, I want to show you Patra Kasiandani. We used to go there, Kasiandani. And then there used to be what do you call it? It used to be a farm, something that belonged to the school. I got the practical agriculture, all those things, even cows back then. But things have changed. What can you do? What can you do? I guess it's the blacks.